How to fix not connected, no connection are available in your Windows. So if you want to fix not connected or no connections are available in your Windows, then what you need to do is first you just need simply go with your search, and under search you need to search for control panel. After searching for control panel, you need to just click on it, go with the top right which has view by, select large icons. After that you need to go with internet options, which looks like this. Under the internet options you need to go with the advanced section. Now you just need to simply go with reset. You will have reset option. You just need to simply go and reset your internet properties. After resetting your properties, you need to just go back, go with apply and OK. And after that second time, you need to again click on the internet options and again go with the advanced section. And here you'll have restore advanced settings. You need to go with it and you need to restore your advanced settings. After restoring, you can go with apply and OK. And after that you need to again go with the internet options, and now you need to go with connections. You need to just simply go with the LAN settings, and under LAN settings, if you have any manual address, then you just need simply go and automatically detect settings, and you need to go with OK. And even if this doesn't fix your problem, then you just need simply go with the next step, which is you need to open up your command prompt, run as administrator. Here you will have run as administrator. Just click on run as administrator, click on yes. And after running this as administrator, you need to enter some commands. So the first command goes like netsh space int space ip space reset. And after this, you need to just go with hit the enter. After hitting the enter, wait for it to load for 100%. And after it loads or after it's done, when it says OK, you need to go with the next command, which is netsh space winsock space reset, and again hit the enter. And after the second command, now you need to again go with the next command, which is ipconfig space / DNS, and hit the enter. And after this, now the last command is ipconfig space / release. And after that, hit the enter. And after entering all of these four commands, your problem might be fixed. Now you need to go with the last one, which is ipconfig space / renew. And after entering this, your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.